If you've ever wondered how to make a developer-built home look like the model with designer finishes, this home is the perfect example. Here are our top 5 reasons this home on Show Jumper is a showstopper. Number 1, elevated upgrades like butterscotch luxury vinyl wide plank flooring, tall baseboards, white cabinetry, sleek lighting fixtures, and TV wall open shelves with wood lining highlights and up and down wired lighting. Number 2, custom accent walls in the office, hallway powder, and bedrooms. A floor-to-ceiling two-tone fireplace wall with wooden mantle, along with custom closets by design in every closet. Number 3, wall-to-wall sliding glass doors with remote-controlled Hunter Douglas blinds, plus an indoor-outdoor surround system bringing an elevated and open entertaining experience. Number 4, immaculate minimal maintenance landscape with timer-controlled lighting, plumbed-in gas fire pit and bench, luxurious hot tub spa, a pergola sitting area, fruit trees, and mountain views. And number 5, security-gated community of Saddle Ridge with a pool, tennis courts, clubhouse, playground, and walking paths.